Okay, awesome. Let's look at abstract classes in Java. So in an abstract class, we don't have to implement all of the methods, so that makes it a little bit weird. And when we don't implement a method, we identify that method as abstract, and then we just put a semicolon instead of curly braces in the actual body of a method. And remember, a class in Java can only extend one other class, and that restriction is true even for extending abstract classes. And then if I'm the child class of an abstract class, I have to provide all of the methods that are identified as abstract in that parent class, or I have to also be an abstract class and then identify those methods as abstract. Okay, and just for CS60, we won't use abstract classes in any of the homework assignments, so they won't appear on the tests. Okay, I've got this class, animal, and I've labeled it as abstract, so I just put the keyword abstract there, and you can see I have an instance variable and a method. That should look totally normal. On line 6, I've got this method speak, which is labeled also as abstract. And then instead of having curly braces, I just have a semicolon. Okay, so this is the abstract class animal, and it has one abstract method speak. Now you can imagine the dog class extends animal, and because the parent class has this abstract method speak, the dog class has to provide a method speak with the exact same signature except for that abstract. So it's also going to be void, and it's also not going to take in any arguments. Similarly, the cat class could extend animal, and it too would provide a speak method. Okay, so I have the code from those classes now just up at the top. So animal on the left, and then cat and dog on the right-hand side. And remember, the animal class is abstract, and that method speak inside the animal class is abstract. So here I have a tester class where I make an animal array. So that's an array that can hold references to animals. And remember, animal is that abstract class. And inside this animal array, I can put a dog and a cat, and then I can loop through all of the animals in that pets array. And if you're not familiar with this for each style loop, it's just saying, loop through each of the items and then create a variable named pet, which is of type animal, and get each element in order. So those two for loops are equivalent, and if it seems a little confusing, I'd pause it and look at it a little bit longer. But we can just use that more extended version, the one with explicit indices. So for each of the animals that are referenced within the pets array, we're going to call getOlder on them and speak on them. GetOlder is a method that's provided in the animal class, so that works just like the regular inheritance. When pet is a dog, I look in the dog class for the code. I don't find it, so I can look in the parent class and I find it there. And then the method pet.speak, it compiles because there's an abstract method provided in the animal class because the type of the reference animal is an animal, the type of the reference pet is animal. So it compiles because there's a speak method in the animal class, but actually each extending class has to provide its own speak method. Okay, so here's a question for you. I've got that animal class again. Do you think that if animal is an abstract class, I can create an animal object? And try and put your hat on as a Java designer. What would you do? And I'll pause. And you can pause here, but I'll keep going. Okay, no. If animal is an abstract class, I can't create an animal object. It just doesn't make any sense because some of the methods aren't implemented. But as we saw, we can still have animal references, and I can have an animal array like we saw in this tester class.